Today, Rivers judges are making a statement very clear to the Nigerian public and other ethnic nationalities, both in the state and outside the state. And what is that position? That the crisis in Rivers State is a constitutional matter and not ethnic nor religious. And so we, the judges here, are following the path of constitutional democracy, that any attempt or effort to drag in ethnic politics into it will not be accepted. So therefore, we have resolved, as being declared here, by the judge leaders and elders of the state, that henceforth, anybody, person or group of persons, either of your origin or whatever, to say, that go against this liberal democracy that the people are enjoying today, will be resisted. None other way than through the legal constitutional procedures that are adequately provided for. We believe that we are protected by the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the African Charter and the United Nations Charter. Therefore, we shall use every constitutional means and instrument to protect the rights, lives, and properties of every just son and daughter, and provide the maximum support to the governor of our dear state. From the communique, it is clear that all contacts, far and wide, have been made and have resolved to declare today that the judges, wherever they are, wherever they may be, have total support for SYMFONI. Just like as they supported all previous regimes in the state from 1999. Nobody can doubt it. It is not possible for you to be a governor of Rivers State without the just support. The judges are the majority, either you like it or not. You can turn it up, you cannot turn it upside down. The same support we gave to OTD, the support we gave to Amechi, the support we gave to Wike, is the same support we are giving to our own son. Eyes up. Yeah. Eyes up. Yeah.
Today we want to say, despite the fact that we did not want to play the ethnic card, the reality of the circumstances we find in Rivers State trying to turn this place into a place of tumor cannot work. So on that note, we came together, and with such brilliant minds like David Briggs and Tamnasi Gogo, for those of them in government, and for those of us who are activists, myself, and Joe Briggs, and Fred Allison. And thank God, this ship is sailing. And on that note, I want to also tell you that this is only one out of many events program for the Ijaw participation in the ongoing political drama in Rivers State. If you really love your wife or your girlfriend, tell her. Women, is it true? Yes. So we are going to tell our brother that we love him. And we are going to tell him that we are by him. And we are going to tell him, no shaking. Everybody day in, day. If you remember in 2014, we came together and under certain activities which finally ended in the Stadium Road, Akon Event Center. You remember? Yes. We had a symposium, we had a lot of talk among ourselves, and it was after that talk that we gave the endorsement to Wike, isn't it? Yes. And after he took the endorsement, he ran away with it. Today, we have regarded, having counted our losses, to say, no problem, let us also come together, because he said he made mistakes. We too, we made mistakes. So, we are now going to regroup now